So guys, today we will discuss Spring Cloud Netflix Joule with Eureka. Joule Server is a gateway application that handles all the requests and built to enable dynamic routing, monitoring, resilience and security for microservice application. The Joule service is also known as Edge Server. So let's do our implementation. So again we will use Spring Initializer. For that we have to open start.spring.io and we will create the basic structure. So this is actually project name. This is the package. Now we have to add the dependencies. Spring Web Eureka Discovery Client Joule. That's all. Now we will generate. Next we will extract it and import it as a Maven project in our current workspace. Now we will provide server port, application name, and Eureka server path where Eureka server is up and running. And we will also add these two attributes. Okay, so what is registered with Eureka? This Joule server no need to register itself into the Eureka server, but this fetch registry true is required because whatever services registered into the Eureka server, this Joule server application should know. That's why fetch registry will be true. Now we will use this Joule server as a gateway. Suppose we want to call this Hystrix circuit breaker producer. So we will not directly call this circuit breaker producer. We will call this Joule service. And internally once a request will come to Joule service, then this Joule server internally redirect the request to Hystrix circuit breaker producer depending upon path and URL. So for that we need again two attribute. So these are the two attribute. So what is this? So this is the particular path. If any request will come using this path, then the Joule server will decide this request should redirect to this particular microservice. So what is this? This is the application name, or we can say this is the ID of a application which already registered into Eureka server. So now we have to annotate Joule server main method as enable Eureka client, and also enable Joule proxy. So now we have to up Eureka server. So our Eureka server is up in 8090 port. But till no instances registered. Now we will start our hysteric circuit breaker producer. So if anyone want to know what is hysteric circuit breaker producer, I will suggest please go through my previous tutorial. It will help you lot to understand what is hysteric circuit breaker, and this is very important thing in microservice world. Our hysteric circuit breaker application also up in 9000 port. So if we refresh the dashboard, we will see that hysteric circuit breaker producer registered. We already used this ID into our Joule server application property file here. So if we want to access our hysteric circuit breaker producer, then we have to call localhost so our hysteric circuit breaker producer application is working properly. Now we will not access this endpoint directly. We will use it using our Joule proxy or Joule server. Now we have to start our Joule application. You can easily see we don't have any controller layer in our Joule application. We are having only main method, and that main method annotated with enable Eureka client and enable Joule proxy, and also we are having some configuration in application properties file. Now we will try to hit with this context. So our application is up in port number 9002. Then we have provided the context which we have used as a path. then we will use our getHistrix controller, which is not the part of this Joule server. This is the part of Histrix application. Once we will hit this one, it will internally redirect the call to Histrix circuit breaker producer. So what's going on here? Once we are hitting anything using this port 9002 port and context is Histrix, Joule server will identify this path, and depending upon path it will redirect the request to this particular application, and this application has registered in Eureka server, and these details fetched by using this attribute. So our Joule server already fetched all the details from Eureka server using these two configuration. So this is the main concept of Joule. Hope this tutorial will be helpful to you, and we will see you in next tutorial. Thanks.